There are quite a few legal ramifications to the identification process. The remarriage of a spouse, the payment of insurance, or the estate issues that come up around the circumstances of the death. So all of those things with that legal component demand that we be very certain and never make a mistake. So our laboratory has created some protocols to ensure that those quality control and quality assurance issues are looked after. Forensic dentistry is one aspect of human identification, but Interpol demands that in addition to forensic dentistry, we also look at forensic DNA evidence, and then in addition to that, fingerprints. The forensic dentists will have to go forward with their conclusions and combine those conclusions in front of an ID board or an ID tribunal with the others. And that is like testifying in court. So the last day of our course, each one of these participants takes a case that they've worked on throughout the week and then presents it in front of the ID tribunal. Forensic dentists, when they're testifying in front of an ID tribunal, will use radiographs as an example. That's sort of a photograph of some of the things that we know are unique in a person's mouth. And we can actually use that with family members as well. Sometimes family members are not convinced that their loved one could have perished in such an event. So we have to be very careful to make sure that they understand how rigorous our methods are. And in most cases, they can see that and they can start to appreciate that we've tried to be as empathetic and expedient as possible, and that we share the tragedy with them and we're trying to work hard on their behalf.